Environmental well-being is critical to human health. Hospitals in the United States send nearly 6 million tons of waste to landfills every year, and Sustainable Technologies, a Cardinal Health business, believes it's crucial to identify ways to reduce the environmental impact of healthcare. Our innovative reprocessing program gives hospitals the unique ability to care for patients while also helping care for our future. This unique approach manages end-of-life product disposition using the most environmentally beneficial solution available. The model combines recycling and waste-to-energy processes that remove 99.9% of waste from landfill streams. Here's how it works. Waste is collected, removed from the hospital, and stored in a bunker under negative pressure. Next, the waste is incinerated at extremely high temperatures in a self-sustaining process. Heat from that combustion boils water that turns into steam, which powers a turbine-driven generator and creates electricity. That electricity is distributed to a grid that's used to power homes and businesses. Special equipment is used to cool, collect, and clean gases and air pollution from the waste combustion. Particulate emissions are controlled primarily through a fabric filter. All emissions and operations are continuously monitored to ensure compliance with environmental regulations. Finally, residual material from the combustion process is collected for processing and metal extraction. Any ferrous and non-ferrous metals that survive combustion are extracted for recycling. Converting landfill waste into power and recyclable metals is simply a better way to do business and helps Sustainable Technologies deliver the quality products hospitals expect while reducing environmental impact. To learn more, visit sustainabletechnologies.com.